My name is M. NARASIMHARAO, lecturer in physics. Today I am explaining JEE 2019 problem from ray optics. A ray of light AO in vacuum is incident on a glass slab at an angle of 60 degrees and refracted at an angle of 30 degrees along OB as shown in the figure. The optical path length of the light ray from A to B is, now in this problem, it is a vacuum, it is a glass. This is the interface which is separating the vacuum and the glass. Light ray AO represents incident light ray. OB represents a refracted light ray. When the light ray is traveling from vacuum to glass or one medium to another medium, bending of the light ray taking place, this phenomena we are calling as a refraction. Now, this incident light ray is making an angle 60 degrees with the normal. This is the angle of incidence. Now, this is the refracted light ray. Angle between the refracted light ray and the normal we are calling as angle of refraction. Angle of refraction is given as 30 degrees. First, I will find the refractive index of the glass. Refractive index of the glass is equals to sin I by sin R. Sin I by sin R. That is equals to sin of angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees by sin R, angle of refraction 30 degrees, sin 30 degrees. Sin 60 degrees means root 3 by 2 divided by sin 30 1 by 2. That is equal to root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 comes to numerator 2 by 1, 2 to cancel. Root 3, this is the refractive index of glass medium. Refractive index of glass medium is root 3. Here, light ray is traveling from one medium to another medium. Here, light ray is traveling from one medium to another medium. Refraction takes place. You know very well, refractive index of a vacuum is equals to 1. Refractive index of vacuum is equal to 1. Refractive index of vacuum is equals to 1. Now, please listen here. We know here, this is the 60 degrees. This angle also 60 degree. This angle also 60 degree. This angle is 60. This angle is also 60 degree. Alternate angles are equal. Now this is the right angled triangle. It is the right angled triangle. Now we know this distance is given as a small a. It is AO. This is 60. I am in this right angled triangle. Now this I am taking it as a C. ACO, right angled triangle. In the triangle ACO, it is the right angled triangle. I am taking a cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos 60 degrees is equals to 60 degrees के adjacent side. Adjacent side means AC. AC distance is a small a. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but AO. Now, AO comes to numerator, cos 60 comes to denominator. AO is equal to small a cos 60 comes to denominator. AO is equal to A by cos 60 degrees 1 by 2, 1 by 2. AO is equals to A into 1 by 2 comes to numerator 2 by 1, nothing but AO distance is equal to 2A. Now, here please listen here. Here, this I am taking as a D. O, D, B is a right angled triangle. Triangle O, D, B is a right angle. O, D, B is a right angle triangle. I am taking cos 30. Cos 30 degrees. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos 30 degrees is equals to 30 degrees के adjacent side. O, D, B right angle. 30 degrees के adjacent side. Nothing but OD. Nothing but OD. OD distance is equal to small b. OD distance is equal to small b. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means OB. OB. Cos 30. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. That is equal to B by OB. Now OB comes to numerator. OB comes to numerator. OB is equals to B into root 3 by 2 comes to this side 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Now they are asking optical path length. Optical path length, it is equal to refractive index times the actual path length. Now I am calculating the optical path length. I am calculating the optical path length. Optical path length is equals to refractive index times the original path length. Here light rays are traveling in vacuum. Here optical path length means refractive index into the actual path length. Refractive index into the Now refractive index of vacuum into original path length AO plus optical path length in glass, refractive index of glass into original path length. Refractive index of glass into original path length is OB. Now, optical path length of light ray is equals to refractive index of vacuum 1 into AO. AO is nothing but 2A. Refractive index of glass, we got refractive index of glass is root 3. Refractive index of glass root 3 into OB. OB means 2B by root 3. 2B by root 3. Root 3 cancelled. 2A into 1, 2A plus 2B, 2A plus 2B. This is the optical path length